Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Naya of AhhhSoNeo saying hello. We have an unboxing today. What could be in this box here from Louis Vuitton? Yeah, well, you figured it out from the thumbnail what it is, but if you'd like to watch the unboxing, I'd appreciate it if you would stick around. Thank you. Hi my lovelies, hope you've been well. This is Naya of AhhhSoNeo saying welcome back to my channel. It has been an intro back to my channel, guys. I have an unboxing for us today. I got a lovely box from my favorite person at Louis Vuitton store in Austin, Texas. Hi! Actually, I've had this box for a while, but like I said, I couldn't do this video because filming has been challenging. But I picked up something from the Louis Vuitton Crafty collection for 2020. A little tiny something. So thank you so much if you've been here before and you came back for another video. I really appreciate that. I love the support, the friendships, the communication, you name it, that I get on this channel. You guys are really amazing. Thank you. If you're new, well, hello, stick around. You are probably going to like what you see. I'm a chatty Cathy, but hopefully it's interesting, and I like to do unboxings and hauls and all that kind of fun luxury things here in our community because we're super supportive of each other. So please stick around and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you can see all my other videos. Hopefully I have a few more unboxings to go, hopefully. Yeah, but let us get right down to it. Now, it ain't cute in the box because, quite frankly, I have opened this before. I haven't used it yet. I just haven't used it yet. But I am super excited to share with you guys. And you can tell from the box, tiny little box, that this is a small piece. I really liked the Crafty collection, but there was a part of me that felt like this was going to be a little trendy. I loved the Louis Vuitton limited edition pieces. I think this was the last limited edition piece I picked up, which, hello, I love it. But sometimes, if I'm really honest with myself, a lot of the items that I buy, I just end up looking at them. So I'm trying to do better. Except for, oops, when it comes to bandeaus. Bandeaus I use bandeaus. So when I saw this version of the Louis Vuitton Crafty BB bandeau, I absolutely had to have it. There was a different one that had like the tribal print on it. I love the tribal print, but again, those are the pieces that I felt were just super trendy and that I'm gonna love that purse. I'm gonna wear it until Halloween. I liked the orange one, and then I'm never gonna wear it again, or not until next year Halloween. I don't know. I think it's stunning, but I don't feel like it fits my aesthetic. But something like this, a very simple black and white, definitely fits my aesthetics. One of my most used bandeaus is the black and white LV Confidential, and this kind of like gave me that vibe, you know. I mean, this is beige or ivory cream, I don't know, and black, but it kind of gave me that vibe, you know. And yeah, BB bandeau, Louis Vuitton, cream, I don't know. The little tag is still on there. I also like the little splash of red at the bottom there. I thought that was really a cool touch, a really interesting touch. But this is smaller than the other bandeaus, I feel like, in the collection. I mean, it is the BB. Look at this at the bottom here. That's stunning. That's really cute. I like the juxtaposition of the black and white and this. But really what I love about this that made me go, I gotta get that piece, is how the LVs are always the right way facing. With a lot of the bandeaus, the LVs are facing the right way because it's like one long strip of fabric, of silk, and the LVs will be facing the one way, coming down on one side, but then they'll appear upside down on the other side if you tie it around your head or if you tie it around a purse or something. And so what really struck me with this one, if you guys can see, the LVs are always LV. It's never upside down. And I love that. It's, okay, I've got this bubble here, so it's going to be hard to see. But if I was wearing it like, yeah, that just looked weird. Okay. But whichever way I wear it, both sides of the LVs are coming straight down and read LV. And I don't know, I thought, why did they never do that before? It's a brilliant, brilliant piece. And that's what made me go, I want that. It's slightly, it reminds me of the Confidential Bandeau. And I'll put a picture in here. But something about this, maybe the splash of red at the bottom and the LVs facing the right way, and then also the black side, it just made me go, that's a piece I gotta add to my collection. So yes, very happy that I did. I wonder what I did with the receipt. Oh, found it. And this is, oh my gosh, this, I've had this for a month, guys. What is the full name of this? I don't know. It's the Louis Vuitton BB Bandeau with the Crafty edition. So yeah, I've really enjoyed watching all the videos of all the people who got the Speedy. I thought that was really great, and I don't know, maybe 5 years from now I'll decide I need it in my life. What I'm really considering getting from that collection, and I don't know if it's still available or if it's called for availability, is the Neo Noe that has like the all matte black or the all matte white with the LV letters that are rather large. It looks like this. I'll stick a picture of it in here. That is a piece I'm definitely like, ooh, I should have pulled the trigger on that. I think it also has a pochette motif that goes with it as well. So that's it, guys. That is my unboxing of the Louis Vuitton BB Bandeau Crafty edition for 2020. I'm anxiously waiting for Cruise 2021, I think it is, to come out. The one that has the spades, ace, the cards, imprint logos on them. There's a piece on that I definitely want, so watch this space. Thanks, guys, for watching. Hope you've been well. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for the likes. You guys are amazing. Remember, choose happiness. It's a choice you get to make every bloody day of your life. Make the right choice. Choose happiness, guys. Mwah.